Unit 8 Mixed Review Number 1. Tim has a set of figures as shown below. Which of his figures could be classified as polygons? So the thing to remember here is, what is a polygon? So a polygon, three things. It's closed, it's 2D, and it has straight sides. So if we look at figure A, it has curved right here, and so it is not a polygon. B has curved right here, so it is not a polygon. C is closed, it's two-dimensional, and all the sides are straight. So C definitely is a polygon. D, closed, 2D, straight sides, it is a polygon. And E, closed, 2D, and straight sides, it's a polygon. So correct answer is C, D, and E.